Hello, kindergartners and first graders. Welcome back. This is our health lesson this week. Last week, we talked about our digestive system and how the food goes into our body and goes down our esophagus and into our stomach and our small and large intestines. But remember, there's some things down there that need to be broken up. And one of those things that we're going to talk about this week is something called protein. And as you can see right over here, I'm clicking on it with that big arrow. That is a piece of chicken. And chicken is a form of meat, which meat is protein. So we're going to talk a little bit about protein right now. Now, protein, let's go over it real fast. I'm moving my head so you don't have to see that. What foods are high in proteins? How do proteins work in the bodies? Let's find out. These are some fun facts for us so we can learn a little bit more about protein. All right, let's get started here. Protein is a long chain-like molecule that is made up of small units of amino acids joined together by peptide bond. Not a lot of stuff there that you need to worry about, but amino acids. What holds everything together with protein? There's things called amino acids. And the word protein came from the Greek word primary and in the lead. Like carbohydrates, which we'll talk about next week, and fats, proteins are considered a major nutrient for the body due to the energy they provide. So sometimes you hear people say, oh, you're tired, you just need some energy. Well, protein is a form of energy. It helps wake you up a little. It helps get the body moving. Protein is essential for life. That means you need it and you're eating it. It is crucial for all cells in the body, playing a key role in the enzymes in a cell. After water, protein is the most plentiful substance in the body. So our body, first off, it needs water. You need water. That's why I say drink water, drink it. Second, you need protein. That's right. Protein. You need protein. So after water, protein is the most important, but water is number one. Proteins grow, maintain, and replace the tissue in our bodies. Therefore, our muscles, organs, and immune systems are mostly made of protein. So muscles. Some of you are looking at your family and go, wow, they're strong. Or you see people on TV and their muscles are bulging out of their body. Guess what? They've been eating protein. Protein helps build muscle. So once protein is digested and broken down, it can be reused and made into bones and blood organs. There are 20 slightly differing amino acids. We're not learning anything about that. A lot of the amino acid information you'll learn about in middle school and high school. Now, what are some good forms of protein? Complete protein has all the amino acids, including the essential ones like meat, poultry. What is poultry, anybody? Chicken, fish, dairy products, eggs, and soy. Incomplete protein sources include nuts, grains, fruits, and vegetables. Therefore, it is important that for vegetarians to pair meals wisely in order to get all the essential amino acids. So, complete are the meats that you can think about. The steaks, the fish, the chickens that you have, the eggs that you eat for breakfast. Those are all great sources of protein. However, too much protein can be dangerous to the body. It can hurt the liver and kidneys, causing them to work extra hard. Like the other energy sources, carbohydrates and fats, too much protein can also lead to weight gain. So if you just see people eating steak, and that's all they're eating, or chicken, that is extra protein in the body. You don't need that. Now, the protein contained in eggs, so those lovely eggs you have for breakfast, those scrambled eggs or those eggs over easy, or my personal favorite, hard-boiled eggs. Oh, I love hard-boiled eggs, are considered the highest quality protein out of all the food. So if you want a good source of protein, I need protein. Eggs. Eggs are great. Yuck. Insects actually contain quite high levels of protein, more than some normal foods. If you want to eat insects, you might get protein, but they're going to move around in your body. Yuckies. And proteins in some food can cause allergies. So you got to make sure if you are allergic to something. Some people are allergic to wheat or dairy. Mr. Briggs is allergic to dairy, so he can't have any types of cheese because he gets sick. So I have to have different types of protein. Now, right below this video here is another one that talks about protein, and then you'll have a couple questions about that. So I'm so happy you kinder and first graders are here with us this year. It's been a blast having you guys, and we'll keep on going. So watch the next video. It's right there.